Hi, it's Motivation Monday. So, I don't know, I grew up when everybody had radios that you could carry around. And we even went through a stage where we had these like big boom boxes. So you see them in some of the old movies where you see somebody like carrying their radio up here like this. And this is back in the days of 8 tracks and cassettes. And wow. So our music was with us everywhere, and now we have all that in our phones. And I was working the other day and had my headset in, my earbuds in, and I'm cleaning away, and I thought, I have been cleaning to music my entire life, and it really is one of the things that helps me go. It gives me a rhythm, and just keeps me going. And some of it depends on my mood, so it may depend on where I'm at, what kind of music I want to listen to. So, like, have you ever done angry cleaning? And I use some of that headbanger, heavy metal music, or sometimes it's just got to get it done. So get something with a good beat, or something to keep you. Maybe you're feeling a little tired today, so put on a little dance music, that kind of stuff. And so I thought, well, what I'll do is I'll put together a couple little playlists. So I have classic rock, country music, and dance music. Those are the ones I've put together right now. And so you'll find the links for those playlists down below. Those are not my recordings or anything. They belong to other people, so I'm not going to profit any views or anything off of those, other than to just give you something to get started. I'm just here to help, right? But I know gospel's another one. I haven't put together a playlist for that. What other kind of music do you find inspiring or helps you get moving to get your job done, your work done? Let me know, please, in the comments, and I'll put together a playlist for you too. But yeah, put the music on, put the headphones in, crank it up. Not too loud if you're using headphones, because we don't want to damage our ears. But get that music going and get motivated to get the work done this week. Thanks a lot, you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.